Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to clear cache on X. So let's go to X, and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen, which will open the side menu. Now let's go to settings and privacy, and in your settings go to accessibility, display in languages section, and then go to data usage section. So under the section with your storage, you will see two options. The first one is media storage, and then web storage. So media storage basically removes photos, GIFs, and all videos. And if you go to web storage, this basically web storage basically keeps you logged into your X account. So please be aware of that. And if you want to clear that, you can do it right here. You want to simply tap on this option, and you will clear. In this way, you will clear your X cache. So that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.